Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol AEGY. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Over the past couple of days, I've gotten quite a few requests on this one. Just haven't been able to get to it with all the other stocks that have been moving. But I did want to finally get around to this one. And like a lot of the other stocks today, made a big move up, gap up, and then by the end of the day, it is now sitting in the red. However, the overall chart is still hanging in there. And so I should kind of specify that if you're a day trader and you bought up here thinking that you wanted to do a short-term scalp, then yeah, this chart doesn't look too good for you. But if you're in this for the longer-term haul or a longer-term swing trader, however you classify yourself, then the chart is still hanging in there. So that's kind of what I want to talk about. Just point out the key levels of support, and then you can have an idea of what's going on, from that perspective. So the first thing that I like about the chart is that it's still above and was able to maintain above this pink line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average. Intraday, yes, it did break below it, but because we're looking at the daily chart, we care about where the close was, and the close was up here at 0011. The value of the 200-day simple moving average is 001. So good to see it close up above here and maintain this as a level of support. The next level of, and I should note, this would be the ideal level of support, meaning ideally, if you want the chart to look the strongest, then you want to see the price remain above the 200-day simple moving average. The next key level of support is going to be right down here, and I think that's where it bounced from today. Yep. So I'm going to change this to green real quick to represent support. And that is down here at 0008. You can see for a long time it acted as resistance, resistance, resistance. And then when it was broken, really exploded. And then today right there, the beauty of charts, power of technical analysis right there, came down right there, bounced, and then headed back up. So I can guarantee there are some chartists that noticed this, that had their orders down here and are accumulating shares at 0008, knowing that that was a key level of support. So congratulations to those traders. And then finally, at the end of the day, the price needs to hold above the 50-day simple moving average, which is that purple line. I know nobody would want to see it go all the way down there, but just humor me a second. Let's say it would go to down there, find support, and then head back up. Well, when we would go to draw our trend line, this set of lows would be higher than this set, which is higher than this set. And then when we draw that trend line, we would still be able to draw an uptrend line, and uptrends is the name of the game. So again, I'm not saying it will go all the way down there, but from the overall chart perspective, as long as it maintains above the purple line, then that's what you want to see. Resistance-wise, the profit taker stepped in up at 0018, so that's the key level of resistance. But at this point in time, it's more just to wait and see what kind of consolidation the chart's going to go through. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd like to direct your attention down here to my private trading group. What it is, it's a group of traders from beginners all the way up to experienced traders. I send out weekly trade ideas via an exclusive newsletter, and we have a live chat room coming soon. So if you want to hang out with me and other quality traders, sign up and take advantage of that. I should note that when the chat room does come, there will be a change in pricing structure. So check it out right now. Take advantage of the pricing before that changes. And at the end of the day, don't take my word for it, but I would encourage you to click up there and read some of the testimonials, see what other members are saying, and get some third-party perspective. One more time, this was AEGY. Thanks for listening, and have a good one.